In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to Shopify store. When people say meta tags in a Shopify context, they often mean product tags, simple labels that help you organize items, power filters, and trigger promotions. That's exactly what we'll add today. Quick note: SEO meta titles and descriptions live elsewhere in Shopify. Today we're focusing on product tags that affect merchandising and storefront filtering. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, use the search bar at the top to move quickly. Start by typing highlight. This is a handy way to surface related items or jump to the section you need. From the results, head into products so you can work directly on your catalog. Open a product you want to tag. I'll use a long sleeve item as an example, but you can choose any product in your list. On the product details page, locate the tags field. Depending on your admin layout, it's usually in the right sidebar or below pricing and inventory. Click into the tags field and begin typing your first tag, such as highlight. If you see it in the suggestions, click to select it. If not, press enter to create it. Tags are freeform, but consistency matters. Use a standard style, lowercase, no extra spaces, so filters and automated collections work cleanly. Next, add another tag by clicking back into the field. Start typing and choose New Arrival from the suggestions if it exists. Otherwise, create it by pressing Enter. Repeat the process to add Classic, and then add Promo. Each time, you'll type in the field, look for a suggestion, and either select it or create a new tag. If you make a typo, just remove the chip by clicking the small X and add it again correctly. When your tags are in place, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Wait for the confirmation that the product has been saved before navigating away. That ensures your tags are stored and ready to use across the storefront. A few quick tips to make these tags work harder for you. Keep your tag set focused and meaningful. Think 3 to 6 tags that describe seasonality, style, or campaign status. Use the exact same spelling across products to avoid duplicates like New Arrival versus New Arrival. Later, you can build automated collections or theme filters that include products with these tags, and even surface badges or promotional blocks that respond to them. That's it. Search your admin, open the product, add your tags one by one, highlight, New Arrival, Classic, Promo, and save. Repeat the process for any other items you want to organize the same way.